How to fix mobile data is not working in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning on or off your airplane mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on system and then click on reset options. Now on top you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. Now go back and click on erase all data factory reset. Now click on it and then click on erase all data. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.